Guys, welcome back to my video. I'm Rowyn and I'm going to paint something that is a secret. And subscribe every video that I make on YouTube. Might be on YouTube. Sometimes on my dad's channel. It's John. John's name is it's Jon. John, and we are going to paint something. Fine, I'll tell you what it is. It's a cupcake. And I'm going to paint it right now. Like, the thing that holds the cupcake is going to be on the bottom, of course. And it's going to be blue. See? It's a blue cupcake. Or maybe cotton candy, you see. And I'm also gonna add like a lollipop. Some gummy bears on it. Like blue gummy bears. That's a gummy bear. That's my bear, my gummy bear. And I'm also going to do some tricks on my gymnastics bar. And, well, it's not my other video that I did, but I'm going to do different tricks. Might sound the same. And these are my cats right here. They're cute. And this is Millie and Sika Babe. They're so stinking cute. Did you see Sika? Her hair is a lot fluffy. And even Millie Bee. And they're gonna watch me paint this. And I'm gonna do like mixing colors together to make brown. Make that brown. It might look like the rainbow. Like it? And I'm going to also draw the rainbow because I did the rainbow. I'm going to draw a rainbow. No, I went off the lines. Whoopsies. Guys, and I'm also going to do a slime video after this one. And I'm going to try to make a person out of it. And I'm first going to paint like a lot of stuff. So, this is my first picture that I made. I'm making, so all of the rest are going to be surprises. Raise your hands and like and subscribe to let me know if you like surprises, And I also can't find any more papers. And I just found one. That's good. That's good. I have one more. That's pretty bad. So now I'm going to do pretty. And this one's going to be a secret. What do your parents look like? Slam that like button in 13 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Beep is down on the subscribe button. And I also love kitty cats. Try to guess what I'm doing now. A rainbow cone. Look, a rainbow cone. Yes, I've seen. Did you guys hear what I said? I don't want you guys to say red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, rainbow. Just like the cone. Guys, I hope you like my video. Bye.